Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to explore one of the most pervasive environmental challenges of our time, plastic pollution, specifically its impact on our oceans. Ow! This isn't just an aesthetic issue. It's a crisis with profound consequences for ecosystems and human health. Let's start by visualizing the problem. Many of you have heard of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's crucial to understand that it's not a solid island of trash you could walk on, as is sometimes mistakenly believed. Instead, it's a vast, swirling concentration of marine debris, primarily microplastics, located in the North Pacific. Current estimates suggest this patch covers an area twice the size of Texas, approximately 1.6 million square kilometers. And disturbingly, it's just one of several such accumulation zones in our global oceans. So how does all this plastic get there? The pathways are varied, but the source is overwhelmingly human activity. A landmark study from 2020 estimated that a staggering 12 million metric tons of plastic waste enter our oceans annually. To put that into perspective, it's like having a rubbish truck full of plastic dumped into the sea every single minute. This deluge comes from inadequate waste management systems, littering on land and at sea, and abandoned fishing gear. Now, the durability of plastic, the very quality that makes it so useful, is what makes it so destructive in the environment. It doesn't biodegrade. It photodegrades, breaking apart under the sun into smaller and smaller fragments over hundreds of years. These fragments, known as microplastics, become a pervasive pollutant. Marine life, from the smallest zooplankton to the largest whales, ingests these particles, mistaking them for food. The consequences are devastating. Internal injuries, starvation from blocked digestive systems, and exposure to toxins. This leads us to a critical and emerging concern: the impact on human health. Microplastics have been detected in seafood, tap and bottled water, and even the air we breathe. While research is ongoing, the potential for these particles to carry harmful chemicals into the human body is a serious area of investigation. We are, in a sense, facing the consequences of our own waste. Given the scale of the problem, what can be done? Is recycling the silver bullet? The reality is more complex. Globally, less than 10% of all plastic ever produced has been successfully recycled. Therefore, we must adopt a more holistic strategy. The most effective approach is a tiered one. First, we must focus on reducing our consumption, particularly of single-use plastics. Next, we must reuse items wherever possible. Finally, recycling is the third step, vital for managing the waste we do create. Alongside this, we need innovation in biodegradable materials and significant investment in global waste management infrastructure to stop the flow of plastic at its source. Solving this crisis requires a concerted effort from governments, industry, and citizens. It's a daunting challenge, but through awareness, innovation, and collective action, a cleaner, healthier ocean is still within our reach. Thank you.